Hello my gym villains, welcome to my channel Mr. Natural Banana. The last weekend I hit biceps, which was on Saturday. As you can see, it had been a quite excruciating workout with full of sweat and blood as you can't see. And this is a little intro. Now the actual workout, I started with the hammer curl. As you can see, hammer curl, which gives you an overall forearm to biceps pump, which I typically start on an odd biceps day with 4 sets, and on the 4th set I always end up with a drop set of 3 different weights. And from there I moved on to the other exercise. This one is biceps curl. This is one of the most traditional workout for biceps, which gives you total mass. So if you're interested in getting your guns bigger, you should always do biceps curl as heavy as possible. Do a little bit of 10% incremental on every set. With the 4th set, you can always try to do a drop of 3 sets continuously. Biceps is one of the smallest part in your body, so ideally you should always try to hit at least twice in a week. You should try doing biceps with back on a back day, and keep a special day, whatever day you find or you're comfortable with, towards the end of the week, where you can do an overall biceps workout with forearms additionally. The third workout, as you have seen, I have done alternate dumbbell curls. Alternate dumbbell curl, again, a very good exercise if you can and do with an incremental weights. But I would also request you to visualize yourself in front of the mirror, because this would help you to correct and rectify your posture instead of moving or leaning onto the weight way too much, the way I had done on this video, where my instructor had told me off to correct my posture. The next exercise, as you can see I'm doing here, this would be the 4th exercise. I don't know the exact name of this exercise. I would ideally call it 21er. 21er is like 7 repetitions of a particular grip, and you start with the wider grip and then go on a medium grip and then to the 3rd, which is the closest grip, and you can try to do 4 sets again with 21 consecutive repetitions with 3 different grips that you have seen a little bit in this video, which I would try to make an elaborate one in future. The last, then the final one is, I don't know the name of the exercise, but this is a very effective exercise which I found out recently. I always try to do, where you can lock your body properly and focus on weight, and without leaning or bending way too much. The main objective of this exercise is keep your weight to bare minimum and focus more on posture and grip, and also squeezing your muscles the much you can. So this would be my final exercise. Apart from that, I also added some arms workout, which I didn't include in the video. Thank you.